Here we have the minimalistic smart wallet from Furid. I love this wallet so much. Let me just tell you about some of the features. It is made from carbon fiber material and also some aluminum. It is very strong and sturdy. You can put your ID or whatever picture you'd like to showcase in your wallet right here at the front. There's a section at the back that you can put your AirTag. You can put your frequently used cards here so you can easily just access them, and you put the rest inside the wallet so it is protected from NFC readers, so you won't have to worry about people taking money off your card without your permission. It has a thing right here that you slide down and up, and what that does is it gives you access to all the cards in the wallet. You know what I like the most about this wallet? It has a magnetic closure, so basically it closes pretty fine and it stay closed, right? And then also it holds up to 15 cards. Can you imagine? That's a lot. It's a beautiful wallet and you need to get one now.